Sweat. Water on skin from heat. He sweated after exercise. Pee. Urinate. The baby needs to pee. Bedwetting. Accidentally urinating in bed. The child has a bedwetting problem. Drool. Saliva comes out of mouth. The baby drooled on his shirt. Puke. Vomit. The bad food made him puke. Sleepwalk. Walk while still asleep. He sleepwalks at night. Peep. Look quickly or secretly. He peeped through the window. Gossip. Talk about others' private lives. They gossip during lunch. Splash. Scatter water around. Kids splash in the pool. Nap. Short sleep. The child took a nap. Mumble. Speak unclearly. He mumbled softly. Moan. Make a sound in pain. She moaned after falling. Grin. Smile widely. He grinned happily. Daydream. Think of pleasant things. He daydreamed in class. Blush. Face turns red. She blushed when praised. Choke. Have trouble breathing. She choked on food.